guys, welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my simple 5-step skincare routine that I follow diligently almost every day. And more specifically, when I'm going to be applying makeup, I definitely see to it that I follow this skincare routine. And in this skincare routine, I use some of my recent favorite skincare products and I am going to be sharing them with you in today's video. So let's get started. The first step that I always follow is cleansing my face extremely well to clean my face of all the dust, dirt that could be sitting there in the pores. And for doing so, I am using this face wash from Kaya. This is a purifying cleanser with salicylic acid and it is perfect for combination skin. And I do have combination skin, especially during this month of October when it's really hot and humid here in Mumbai. I have certain dry patches on my skin and some parts of my skin feel really oily. So this is perfect for combination skin. It's extremely mild, completely fragrance free, and it suits my skin perfectly. So I definitely use this face wash every morning and absolutely a must before applying any kind of makeup. So I have cleaned my face thoroughly but gently, and you can see how nice my skin feels now. It looks so fresh. Next step is applying a good toner, and for doing so I use the TIRTIR Milk Skin Toner. This is my current favorite. It is an expensive product, but it is worth every penny that you spend on this product. You will see the difference once I apply it on my skin. This is the outer packaging and this is how the bottle looks from within. It's a glass bottle with a metal cap. Once you open the cap, there's a small little thing over here that you need to pull. That's how it comes off. And now I will just take a couple of drops on my palm. It's very milky soft, you can see. I will just dab it into my skin. You can see the difference. The way the skin was looking before, it was feeling a little dry. This has totally restored the pH of my skin. It doesn't feel dry, stretchy anymore. The elasticity of my skin is instantly replenished. You can see that slight shine on the skin. Alright, so we'll pack it back because this is an expensive product. So I need to take a lot of care of this product. So I will cap it back. So this is the second step of my skincare routine. Moving on to the third step. And between each step, I make sure to wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that the product that I'm applying on my skin gets absorbed into my skin and my skin gets the complete benefit of every product. After waiting for about 2 to 3 minutes, I will start applying a serum. And the serum that I am applying is from Dr. Sheth's Ceramide and 15% vitamin C Ampoule serum. This is how the outer packaging looks. Again, a cardboard box, a glass bottle inside with a dropper. I only take this much. You can see how much I have taken. I take it on my palm, few drops, warm the product by rubbing my hands, and once again press the serum into my skin. That takes care of the third step of my skincare. This is such a wonderful serum. One of my friends had a lot of problem of active acne and acne marks on her skin, and her skin was also very dry in this area. That was the kind of skin she had. Somewhere problem of acne, somewhere problem of dryness. But this serum from Dr. Sheth's has really helped her, solved all her problems. Acne marks, dryness, everything has been solved by regular use of this serum for about 3 to 4 months. So I definitely recommend this serum if you are facing any such kind of a problem. Okay, so once again, I have waited for about 2 to 3 minutes for the serum to set into my skin, and I can already feel my skin looking very healthy and glowy. But to give it that further boost of moisturization, especially before applying makeup, because I do not want my makeup to look cakey under any circumstances. I will be using this Moisturizing Everyday Essential Cream from Kaya. This is a glass tub, very, very classy packaging. I have used this cream, almost half of it is over, if you can see. I just take a little amount of the cream and massage it very gently into my skin. I make sure I apply it in the under eye section of my face, because that's where I tend to crease a lot, especially after applying makeup. And you can see the shine, the glossiness, and I can feel the hydration in my skin. So that takes care of the fourth step of my skincare routine. Now the fifth and the last step is applying a good sunscreen, and I always prefer to apply a sunscreen which has SPF 50 and PA 4 pluses maybe. And as I said, I do not want my skin to look dry at all. Hence, I will be using the Mamaearth Vitamin C Daily Glow Sunscreen, which is enriched with vitamin C and has SPF 50 PA4 pluses. This is the tube that I'm loving lately. I do not like to apply anything directly on my face. I always prefer to take things on my palm, warm up the product, and then press it into my skin. And that's the correct way, I personally feel that's the correct way of applying any skincare product. And my 5-step skincare routine is totally complete. All these products will be tagged in the description box for you. If you want to buy any of these, you can go ahead and check the description box. I have bought most of these products from Amazon. Amazon has some amazing sales running throughout the year on their portals, and all the current sale details will also be mentioned in the description box for your convenience. So go ahead, if you wish to purchase any of these products, check out the description box, check out the sale details, the buying links, and get yourself these amazing products. So that was all for today's quick skincare tutorial kind of a video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found it helpful, do give it a like, do comment and let me know. In case you have any queries or any concerns, I will definitely be very happy to address them. You can share this video with anyone you think this can be helpful to, and you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's absolutely free. Do click the bell icon so that you get notified of my upcoming videos first. I will see you in my next one. Until then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.